Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here with day number 3. Day number 3 in the 24 Days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate here on YouTube. And thank you so much, Sandy, for another blessed day of gifts. Oh my gosh, look at this. She's added some of this like hollow sequence maybe to the top. Oh, let's get you focused. Focus. There you go. So you see she's added it, I think, with some kind of glue. Hot glue maybe. And these are cute pom-poms. I've never seen these kind of pom-poms before. But look at this cute ice cream she did. And she added the trim. And a great assortment of cute pastel beads. So this is such a cute container. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for day number 3. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and watching me on this 24 Days of Secret Santa Swap. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.